with meteorologist Brian Ramsey.
Hey everybody, hope you're having a lovely start to the morning. It will be another lovely day outside with mostly sunny conditions and more 80-degree temperatures this afternoon. You'll see nothing really going on in the state of Louisiana at the moment, but there is a little bit of a disturbance moving through Oklahoma and Texas right now, and this is going to be part of a severe weather setup that will move through our area starting tomorrow morning. So make sure to stay tuned for more on that in just a bit, but for right now, let's get into what we're going to see for today, which is pretty nice. 54 as you head out the door right now at this hour. The winds are pretty light, but we do have a little bit of fog developing in some of our southern parishes now, so keep that in mind as you head out the door. Be careful for your morning commute, but Baton Rouge, you're good to go when it comes to the fog. Future track temperatures by 9, we're in the mid-60s, and then we're back into the 70s for lunchtime. The afternoon, probably topping off right around 82 degrees. We're back down to 70 at 10 o'clock, and then it looks like overnight we stay there. That's because we'll have cloud cover and severe weather moving through the area tomorrow morning. And then tomorrow afternoon, back into the 80s again before we really cool off the following day. So a look at the severe storm threat that I am expecting. It's going to start today around 4 o'clock in Texas. So you see that there. This orange area is a level 3 out of 5 threat. And you'll see a part of our northern area is included in that level 3 out of 5 threat. And this is going to go into the overnight hours. You'll see Baton Rouge under a slight threat. The main threats will be an isolated tornado is possible, but the tornado threat is very low with this system. It's not negligible, but it is low. And we could see some hail and we could see some heavy rain. The main threat, though, will be damaging winds. And since it's happening in the morning hours, it's kind of split between two severe outlooks. So here's the other outlook for the following day, and you'll see our entire area is under slight, even though it wasn't on that last graphic. So our whole area is under at least a level 2 out of 5, and some of our area, our northern part of our area, is level 3 out of 5. So as we time this out, it's going to start west of Dallas, near Wichita Falls, then move through Texas, 2, 3, 4, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock in the morning. Already seeing some of those storms. We'll have to watch these storms ahead of the front, make sure they don't get enough spin to them, get a supercell dynamic to them, but you'll still have a very strong line of storms. See how it kind of bows out like that, kind of like a bow shape, kind of like a bow echo is what us meteorologists would call it. And those bowing segments of rain sometimes can lead to very damaging winds. And so that's what we'll be watching for in the morning tomorrow. And once we get to 10, 11 o'clock, we're still seeing some of those storms in the area, but they do eventually clear out as we get into the afternoon. So this is going to be pretty much an event right around sunrise, give or take a couple of hours, and could last into the late morning hours for tomorrow. The amount of rain I'm expecting with this is pretty impressive, actually. Compared to the last system, it won't be moving as quickly, so you could actually see a good inch, 2 inches, maybe 3 inches of rain with this system, maybe even higher totals in some of the isolated, stronger thunderstorms. But as we time out the future track wind gusts, you'll see they increase tonight. This is 10 o'clock, already seeing wind gusts of 25 miles per hour, and then we're seeing wind gusts sustained of about 30 to 40 miles per hour as those storms pass. Some stronger wind gusts above 55, which would be severe criteria, are possible with that storm as it passes through the area. The next couple of days, those temperatures stay warm, especially on Wednesday, but then we have a big cool down on Friday, which means it's going to be a nice end to the week. That day planner for today, though, no rain in the forecast today, keeping the sunshine with nicer temperatures, and those winds stay pretty light until we get to tonight. As for your 7-day forecast here in Baton Rouge, you'll see we got a high of 82 today and for tomorrow. Those severe storms moving through in the morning tomorrow, but tomorrow afternoon you'll be clear, and we'll see decreasing clouds through Wednesday with very warm temperatures. And then it looks like we're down to 68 on Friday, cool and pleasant, and then it's a fantastic weekend ahead. As for traffic, there's a big